And Richie's putting in the rear cross member there. Well, hopefully this afternoon when we're done welding, we can test fit the big long control arms. The nice blue powder coating that Kel Mini gives us. Nice. Everything you never wanted. Alright, that is a shock mount. Just set there for a visual. See, I need to knot a little bit. Supposed to weld it to the back of that threaded bung. Give that a double shear. And not exactly sure. I gotta look at the picture to see where it goes. But go something like that, inch and a half apart. We got a trimming to do and cleaning up there. But we'll be ready. Okay, here you see the shock bracket all welded in. Double shear against that bung for the track bar. Hold it in there real good. Well, that ought to do that.
Exactly where it's sitting on the rod.
Ugly? Yeah, it works. I'm going to show you the difference between my sloppy ass MIG weld right there at the bottom there, you see. And then we'll go right up here. Oh, there's my sloppy ass MIG weld right there. And then you go up to that beautiful TIG weld right there. And there's a not so beautiful TIG weld. But the real beautiful TIG weld is in here. I don't know if we can, see it in here. You can see in there. Right there. And then we come to this side over here. Real butamus. That's what you call butamus. Butamus. I like it. This is what the frame rail looks like. There, everything's been cut off. You can see it has. You can see the frame rail now. And so the bracketry underneath kind of exposes a big gap between. So I'm probably going to plate that up somehow. Anyway, the bracket, the shock mount bracket's gone, but we need to start cleaning that up a little bit. And then we'll be done with that part. Patchwork is done here. Bottom of the frame rail is got a big plate welded underneath it to attach this bracket and that bracket to the bottom part of the frame. And it's done on both sides. See here, the welding. It's like a booger weld. But got good penetration. I'm not a good welder upside down. No question about that. Okay. We've got these arms in place. We're lowering the truck. Get it roughly in position. Keep going. Alright, that's good. Checking ride height. You see the coils installed on a bare axle. And We are extremely low in the rear. Want to see how much we need to go up. Can't probably make it out in this video. Maybe you can. See that it's way high in the front. So I'm going to jack it and check it out.